Don't make these mistakes with testosterone boosting. You're doing everything right to boost your testosterone. Or so you think. But what if the very things you're doing are actually holding you back? From overtraining to the wrong supplements, millions of men make the same critical mistakes. And it's silently destroying their testosterone. In this video, we're exposing the biggest mistakes that kill your T and how to fix them fast. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Blindly taking supplements. Let's kick off with a classic. Taking testosterone-boosting supplements without ever testing your blood. Listen, there is no one-size-fits-all pill for testosterone. Just because a supplement worked for your buddy or an influencer doesn't mean it will help you. In fact, it could backfire. Take DHEA, for example. For some men, it raises T levels. For others, it converts straight into estrogen. Zinc and magnesium? Essential if you're deficient. But if you're not, high doses can cause imbalance. Too much zinc depletes copper. That messes with your immune system, your brain, and your energy. Instead of guessing, test your blood. Check total and free testosterone, SHBG, LH, and FSH, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, and more. Once you know your status, you can supplement with precision. Don't guess, I test. It will save you time, money, and possibly your health. Mistake 2. Overtraining and chronic cardio. You want to get lean, strong, and alpha. Great, but here's where many men go wrong. They train like maniacs. They hit the gym every day, add in cardio, run 10K on weekends, and think more equals better. But testosterone doesn't work that way. Too much exercise, especially long, intense cardio, spikes your cortisol. And cortisol is testosterone's enemy. When cortisol is high, testosterone drops. Period. Your body thinks it's in a survival situation. And when you're surviving, reproduction is not a priority. Train smart. Focus on 3 to 4 heavy strength workouts per week, compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and presses, keeping sessions under 60 minutes, and making sleep and recovery a priority, not an afterthought. Testosterone is built in rest mode, not in overdrive. Mistake 3. Ignoring sleep. Here's the truth. No supplement, no workout, no diet will help if your sleep is garbage. Just 1 week of sleeping 5 hours per night can lower testosterone by up to 15%. Your T is produced during deep sleep. That's when your pituitary gland triggers hormone production. So if you're binging Netflix or scrolling TikTok at midnight and wondering why your motivation is low, your drive is gone, and your muscle gains suck, there's your answer. Fix your sleep like it's life or death. 7 to 9 hours, no excuses, in a pitch-black cold room. Avoid screens for 60 minutes before bed and take magnesium and glycine 30 minutes prior. Want better testosterone? Go to bed. Mistake 4. Eating low-fat diets. Remember when fat was the enemy? Low-fat diets were supposed to be healthy, but they wrecked an entire generation of men. Here's the deal. Your body needs fat to make hormones. Cholesterol is the building block of testosterone. So if you're eating nothing but low-fat chicken breast, rice, and broccoli, you're starving your hormonal system. You want to boost T? Eat foods like whole eggs. Yes, eat the yolks. Avocados, fatty cuts of steak, extra virgin olive oil, and nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds and walnuts. These aren't cheat meals, these are testosterone fuel. Mistake 5. No sun, no vitamin D. Most men are deficient in vitamin D, and they have no idea it's killing their testosterone. Vitamin D3 is not just a vitamin, it's a hormone precursor. Low D3 equals low T period. Your body makes vitamin D from sunlight. But we spend our lives indoors, under fluorescent lights, wearing sunscreen or living in cloudy countries. You want to fix that? Here's how. Get 20 minutes of sun on bare skin daily, no sunscreen. Supplement with 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3, and always pair it with K2 for proper calcium metabolism. Cheap, simple, life-changing. Mistake 6. Porn, stress, and sitting. Here's the triple threat that kills your drive like nothing else. Chronic stress, porn addiction, and sitting all day. Stress increases cortisol. Again, cortisol destroys testosterone. Porn hijacks your dopamine system, leading to less motivation, less confidence, and less real-world drive. Sitting weakens circulation and messes with blood flow to your brain and your... Well, you know, if you want to reclaim your testosterone, you need a lifestyle reboot. Walk at least 10,000 steps a day, take cold showers, and practice deep breathing to reduce stress. Delete the porn? It's not harmless, and strength train 3 times per week while staying active throughout the day. You can't shortcut this. You've got to earn it with daily action. Final section, what to do instead. Let's recap the right approach. If you want to naturally raise testosterone, test before you supplement, train heavy and smart. Not endless cardio, sleep like it matters because it does, Eat fats and stop fearing cholesterol. Get real sunlight or take vitamin D. And kill stress, move often, and reclaim your drive. Testosterone isn't built in a day, but if you stay consistent, your body will thank you with more energy, strength, clarity, and confidence. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. And check out our full-length video on testosterone-boosting foods right here on our channel. You'll learn the exact foods to add to your diet today to raise your T without drugs or gimmicks. This is the Longevity Lab. We help men upgrade their hormones, energy, and life. See you in the next one.